Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to re-add someone on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just go ahead and open up our Snapchat app right here. And from here, let's click on the chats icon at the bottom part of your screen, and you should be able to be on the chats page. Now, for example, first I'm going to remove a friend just for you to see that I am not a friend with that someone and I want to re-add them later on. So I'm going to remove this certain friend from my friends list. So just click on their name at the top of the conversation. Click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner. Click on manage friendship, and I'm going to remove this friend. Click on remove. Now after that, I'm going to show you two ways to re-add them. So the first way is to click on this search icon right here. And what we're going to do is to search for their username. Now if you know their username, you can just simply type in on this search bar. So I'm going to type in their username like that, and you should be able to see their account, and just click on this add option so that you'll be able to re-add them on Snapchat as a friend. Now the second option is to click on this person icon at the top right part of your screen. Click on all contacts right here. It should be in line with quick add. Click on all contacts and just scroll through this one, and if that certain friend is in your phone book and also has a Snapchat account linked to their phone number, you should be able to see their name over here, and you can also add them as a friend from here. So as you can see, there's a section called friends on Snapchat, so you can click on view more right here, scroll through this list and find that friend. So I see this friend right here, so you can just click on the add option to re-add them on Snapchat.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.